What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy j.koolii back in another video. So today's video, I know I've been gone for a while, but I got a little surprise for y'all. So I'm gonna give y'all this little cold start right fast. Alright, so let me talk to y'all. I'm gonna turn this AC on right fast. It is kind of warm today. Y'all like my sun hat? But no, so I've been gone for a while, but I got an excuse. So I got some work done to the engine. Not nothing major, nothing crazy. So I went with the 310 upper, 1200cc injectors, and 180 thermostat, and like a 93 tune. So like I said, it's nothing like too crazy. It didn't add that much horsepower, but I probably picked up anywhere from 50 to 100 wheel.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Like, I don't know, it was street tuned. I didn't get a dyno. I plan on getting a dyno soon, but I'm gonna just be humble and say it's anywhere from 50 to 100 wheel, because it's not like a all-out tune. It's like a safe tune. It's just, I don't know, I didn't want to go too crazy I just wanted to, you know, get my feet wet. So we're gonna see how, let's just call it, for the sake of this video, let's call it 900 crank. I don't know, y'all do the math on that. Let's call it 900 crank. So let's say I got 900 crank horsepower right now. So I'm gonna let y'all see what it's like, the difference and stuff like that, all the revs and stuff. So basically it just revs higher. He did a trans tune and engine tune. Like I said, it's nothing crazy, you feel me? We're just gonna start off light, and then work our way up from there. I'm probably do some draggy runs, like 60 to 130s and like quarter mile stuff in the later videos. But just now, so I really just need, I don't know if you can see, you see the car or whatever, I really need a fucking car wash right now. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna head up to the car wash. Now I'll probably get a haircut a little later, and we'll go from there, man. So I'll see y'all when we hit the car wash. Peace. All right, y'all, so I'm at the car wash right now. I'm filling up on 93, as you can see. But yeah, so I'm about to get a car wash after this, and I'll explain to y'all exactly what I have with all the mods. Like, I know I told you whatever, but I want y'all to see. Well, the only thing you really can see is the pulley. So I did go with the Grip Tech 3.1 upper. The stock is like a 3.4 upper. So it's really not that much smaller than stock, you feel me? So it only adds about 1 to 2 pounds of boost. If I had to guess, honestly, I'm probably around 790 to like 810. So I'm gonna just call it like 800 wheel. Like I said, it was street tune. I do need to go get a dyno. This tune does have a lot left in it. It's very rich. So that's why I'm saying I might be in like the high 7s. Wheel horsepower and stuff like that. So yeah, so we're gonna do like a little POV drive after this, see I can get some sounds and sights. If this is your first time watching, like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment below what type of videos y'all want to see with the Redeye. I plan on doing a lot more with this car. I'm doing things slowly because I remember last time when I had my scat, I just did everything in one day. Now I'm running out of content, so I'm gonna try to take my time, do more vlogs and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna try to get some races pretty soon. So yeah, so I raced a GT 500 2020, whatever year they is, the new ones. He was like 1,000 wheel, and I held my own. Like, he still put a bus on me, don't get me wrong. It's 1,000 wheel horsepower, but for what I got, like, I did pretty good. And then when he gave me the hit, It was pretty decent on a roll, 60 roll. Matter of fact, I'm gonna probably post it in the video right now. So yeah, so y'all can see, like, it wasn't that bad. He's 1,000 wheel. He gave me the hit and like a half a car. So yeah, and I just raced a 2012 GT500 last night for some money, but I didn't record that because it's my boy. I'm not about to, you feel me? It's whatever. But I think he's stock. He had like 550 like crank horsepower. I think the 2012 GT500s, that's what they had, and I won. That's all I'm saying. So yeah, so I'm trying to find my power range, find some races of people within my power range. I gotta hit the track one of these days just to see where I'm at, and then we'll go from there. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this car washed, then I'm gonna do a little POV for y'all, and we're gonna end the video like that. All right, y'all, peace. Just got done washing off the car. I don't have my GoPro right now, so it's gonna be like a ghetto POV drive, but as y'all can see with the tone and stuff, let me put it in the full mode right there. I'll take a little trip to Mexico. That's like that because that's how I like my pressure, but yeah. So y'all enjoy.